How the attendance is coming? I have given you the attendance on the WhatsApp group. So just mind this thing that these attendance are being submitted by all the teachers to the school. The same format which I posted on the WhatsApp group, in the same format the school we are providing the each subject wise attendance. So mind it, be regular and be present during the complete lecture. Got it? Now yesterday we discussed with the preparation of the aldehydes. In the preparation of the aldehydes we did about the named reactions. In the named reactions, the first reaction which we did was the Rosenmund reduction. Rosenmund reduction के अंदर we are going to take the acid chlorides. Acid chlorides are hydrogenated over the catalyst, and in the Rosenmund reduction we require to poison the catalyst. Why we are poisoning the catalyst? ताकि जो भी आपका aldehyde बना है it should not get convert into a alcohol. Clear? Then the second reaction we did the Stephen reaction. Stephen reaction के अंदर we was taking the nitriles. Nitriles were reduced into were made to reduced into a corresponding imine with the help of the stannous chloride in the presence of HCl, which further on hydrolysis was giving us the aldehydes. And alternatively, like if we are not using the stannous chloride and the HCl, then alternatively we was using a Dibel H. Dibel H is what? It is diisobutyl aluminum hydride. Then we did about the preparation from the hydrocarbons. In the preparation of the hydrocarbons, the important preparation was the Itard's reaction. In the case of the Itard's reaction, your toluene was made to react, it was made to oxidize it with the help of the chromyl chloride, and using that chromyl chloride it get converted into a chromium complex, which further on hydrolysis give you a aldehyde. Then we did the another Rehm reaction, that is your Gattermann-Koch reaction. In the case of the Gattermann-Koch reaction, your benzene was treated with the carbon monoxide and HCl in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. If you are not going to use the aluminum chloride, then you need to take the copper chloride. Then we will be getting the your benzaldehyde. This I just made the or give the overview of the named reactions only the named reactions. Now let's start with our today's topic. Now in the today's topic, what we are going to do, we are going to do the preparation of ketones. Now for the preparation of the ketones, your first preparation method, if you remember, then what I have already done is what? The first preparation method which I already did was the decarboxylation. Now in the case of the decarboxylation, anyone remembered what we did? In the case of the decarboxylation, what we did? In the case of the decarboxylation, what we did? We took the carboxylic acid. Now what we are doing? We are going to take the two molecules of the carboxylic acid. Now taking the two molecules of the carboxylic acid, what was here? There was the liberation of your H2O, which gave you the ketone with you. So this was the first method which we already discussed under the common category. The second method which we did over the for the preparation of the ketones was the by distillating, or you can say distilling calcium salts of acids. Now distilling calcium salts of acid के अंदर what was there? It was CH3COO, CH3 COO with the help of the distill, we got the CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Again we get with the ketone. So this was the method which was the common for the your preparation of the ketones and the aldehydes. Besides these common methods, we did the other methods also. Other methods क्या थे आपके? By the oxidation of the alcohols. In the case of the oxidation of the alcohols, always remember what we require to do, that third degree alcohol you require to take. When you are going to take the third degree alcohol, it is going to convert into a ketone. Then we did by the fourth method was the by ozonolysis of alkenes. In the case of the ozonolysis of alkene, you are going to take the ozone and we are going to get your ketones. So these were the, and one more method was there, fifth one, it was the by dehydrogenation of the alcohols. In the case of the dehydrogenation of alcohols, again what you require a second degree alcohol. यहाँ पे भी बेटा याद रखना, it was the second degree, not the third degree. Okay, so these was the preparation methods of the ketones which were the common between the aldehydes and ketones. Now let's look the methods which are not common between the aldehydes and ketones. So over here, the first method for the preparation of the ketones was from acyl chlorides. Okay. In the case of the acyl chlorides, what you are going to do, you are going to take the acyl chloride, and this acyl chloride you are going to make it treat with the help of the dialkyl cadmium. Now, when you are going to treat acyl chloride with the dialkyl cadmium, it is going to give a reaction, and on reaction you are going to get the cadmium chloride. This cadmium chloride when you are going to take, that is your CdCl2. This cadmium chloride further you are going to make it react with the Grignard reagent. On reacting with the Grignard reagent, it is going to produce a ketones. Now let's look the reaction over here. Now 2R MgX plus cadmium chloride gives you to the R2CD plus 2mgXCl. So R dash C double bond O Cl, two molecules you are going to take, making it react with the dialkyl cadmium. It is going to give you a 2R dash C double bond O, because it was your both the sides we have taken the different alkyl groups, so it will give you a unsymmetrical ketones plus cadmium chloride. This is the general chemical equation for the preparation of the ketones from the acyl chloride. Coming to the next equation, next preparation. The next preparation is your second preparation is from nitriles. Now preparing from the nitriles, what you require, in the case of the nitriles, we require a Grignard reagent, and using a Grignard reagent, afterwards we do the hydrolysis to produce a ketones. Let's look the reaction over here. We are having the C2H5C triple bond N plus Grignard reagent, we are taking C6H5 MgBr, and over here what you are going to do, you are going to put the ether, dry ether. कोई बताएगा कि why we are putting a dry ether over here? Dry ether क्यों लिख रहे हैं हम? Anyone?
To absorb the moisture present.
Yes, very good. To absorb the moisture present during the reaction. So it is going to give this particular compound. This particular compound, when undergoes a hydrolysis, on hydrolysis it gives a C2H5, C double bond O and C6H5. So if you are going to look its name will be what? कि first position पे क्या हो गया? Phenyl group, and it is going to be your propanone. Propanone क्यों? Because this is the ketone group present. Got it? The third preparation method of the ketone is that we prepare it from benzene. Clear? Or you can say any substituted benzene. Always रिमेंबर सब्स्टिट्यूटेड बेंजीन का मतलब क्या होता है कि बेंजीन रिंग के ऊपर कुछ भी CH3, C2H5, C3H7 कुछ भी एक जो है एक एल्काइल ग्रुप जो है इट इज बीइंग अटैच्ड टू इट, दैट मींस योर सब्स्टिट्यूटेड बेंजीन. नाउ ओवर हियर वी हैव टेकन अ बेंजीन ग्रुप प्लस any aryl or alkyl group, any one you can take, COCl. It is going in the presence of the anhydrous ammonium chloride. It is going to provide benzene ring attached to the C double bond O. Whatever the group present, it will come and attach over here. So these are the main preparation method of the ketones. Ketones के केस में only this reaction, ये वाली जो reaction है, this is the named reaction. It is what? It is Friedel-Crafts reaction. This is the Friedel-Crafts reaction. Another thing, as we have used a acyl group, so it will be acylation. Besides that, all other reactions are what? They are the unnamed reactions. So with this, we finish the our preparation of the ketones. Now let's move towards the your in-text question number 12.1. I hope everyone is having the books with them and your note copies are also open over here. Now coming to the in-text question, we are going to discuss with the in-text question 12.1. Now in the case of the 12.1 question, what is there? It is saying that tell the IUPAC name of the write the structures of the following compounds. So what they have done, they have given the name. We need to make the structures of the following compounds. So let's look what are the compounds. Alpha, methoxy, propionaldehyde. Yes, ये बॉयज इस चीज में ज्यादा एक्सपर्ट होते हैं. एनीवन हु नोज हाउ टू एनोनेट द स्क्रीन? मैं अगर यहाँ से अपनी स्क्रीन को एनोनेट करती हूँ, आई हैव एनोनेटेड माई स्क्रीन. कोई है जिसको एनोनेट स्क्रीन करनी आती है? इफ यू नो देन यू कैन राइट डाउन ऑन माई स्क्रीन. इज देयर एनीवन who want to try? हर्षित, सिद्धार्थ.
मैम आपने अटेंडी बना रखा है, कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते हम.
नहीं, एनोनेट करने के बाद कर सकते हैं हर्षित. मैं एक बार यार चेक करूंगी. मैंने मेरी स्क्रीन तो एनोनेट कर दी तुम लोगों से. if like so, then from tomorrow I will make it clear. Okay, then I will make you the presenter also. Okay, fine. alpha methoxypropanaldehyde. Anyone who can make its structure and just WhatsApp me? You can use the WhatsApp facility over here also. या chat box के अंदर डाल दो. Anyone?
मैम चैट बॉक्स में स्ट्रक्चर कैसे बनाए?
चलो ये भी प्रॉब्लम है. कॉपी पे बनाओ, फोटो क्लिक करो, व्हाट्सएप कर दो. चलो मैं बना रही हूँ स्ट्रक्चर. यू जस्ट लुक ओवर हियर. नाउ व्हाट इट इज सेइंग? इट इज सेइंग अल्फा methoxypropanaldehyde. Clear? So what is propanaldehyde means? What? That it is going to have the 3 carbon atoms. अब 3 carbon atoms है and it is saying aldehyde. Aldehyde and alpha methoxy. Alpha methoxy का मतलब क्या होता है? अगर मेरा एल्डिहाइड ग्रुप ये है तो कौन सा कार्बन एटम अल्फा कार्बन एटम होगा? ये वाला. सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू? आई एम गोइंग टू पुट द methoxy group over here. Now when my methoxy group is over here and aldehyde group is over here, nothing else left behind with the in the question. Therefore in the last what we are going to do, we are going to manage with the help of settle the valency of the carbon with the help of the hydrogen. So this is the structure of alpha methoxypropanaldehyde. The second question over here is what? It is 3-hydroxy butanol. Now use what is the 3-hydroxy butanol? 3-hydroxy butanol का मतलब क्या हो गया? Your parent is what? 4 carbon atoms. Butanol means यहाँ पे या तो ये या फिर ये वाला किसी भी एक कार्बन एटम को we are going to take it as a 1. So I am making it as a 1. So according to this your third hydroxy will be 1, 2, 3. Over here we will be having the hydroxy group. Now what is the last step? Last step is what? That satisfying the valency of each carbon with the help of the hydrogen. Okay, so it is 3-hydroxy butanol. Your third question, your third part is what? It says 2-hydroxy cyclopentane carbaldehyde. Okay, now 2-hydroxy cyclopentane carbaldehyde. कार्बल्डिहाइड का मतलब क्या होता है? What is the meaning of the carbaldehyde?
CHO group.
Yes, it is the CHO group. Now what I am doing, I am putting the CHO group over here. अब यहाँ पे CHO group रखने का मतलब क्या हो गया कि ये मेरी first position हो गई. Now I can start my chain from here also or I can start from here also. So I am starting from here. So ये वाली position क्या हो गई? It is going to be your second position. So it becomes the 2-hydroxy cyclopentane carbaldehyde. Okay. Coming to the fourth part. Your fourth part is what? Fourth part says 4-oxopentanol. It is the 4-oxopentanol. So 4-oxopentanol का मतलब क्या हो गया? First of all, we are going to have the 5 carbon atoms. Now when you are going to have the 5 carbon atoms, it is saying pentanol means your aldehyde group is what? It is going to be present at the first carbon atom. Now putting it at the first carbon atom, doing a numbering 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 4-oxo का मतलब क्या हो गया? कौन सा ग्रुप हो गया? It is going to be the this group, ketone group. Now what we have to do? We have to satisfy each carbon valency with the help of your hydrogens. Okay, so in this manner we are going to make the structure. Your fifth part says di-secondary butyl ketone. Di-secondary ब्यूटाइल कीटोन। अब इसका कोई स्ट्रक्चर बता सकता है मुझे? व्हाट विल बी इट्स स्ट्रक्चर? एनीवन? देखो स्टूडेंट्स, कीटोन ग्रुप का मतलब क्या हो गया? दिस। डाई का मतलब दो, और जो दोनों ब्यूटाइल ग्रुप हैं दे आर प्रेजेंट इन द सेकेंडरी फॉर्म। सेकेंडरी फॉर्म का मतलब कि जो आपका कार्बन एटम है इट इज अटैच टू द अदर टू कार्बन एटम्स, so it will be what? This. Now what you need to do, you need to satisfy the valency of each carbon atom. Okay, this will be your di-secondary butyl ketone. The sixth one says 4-chloroacetophenone. 4-chloroacetophenone का मतलब क्या हो गया? एसिटोफिनॉन क्या हो गया? रिंग attached to the ये कीटोन ग्रुप। 4-chloro का मतलब क्या हो गया? 1 2 3 and 4. So over here you are going to have the 4 and putting the bonds over here. Okay, now coming to the question number 12 in text question 12.2. 12.2 question says write the structure and products of the following reactions. So your question number 12.2, first part what it is saying? It is saying you are having a benzene ring plus C2H5 Cl double bond O anhydrous AlCl3 CH2। यस, क्या बनेगा यहाँ पे? पहले तो ये बताओ, कीटोन बनेगा, एल्डिहाइड बनेगा? फास्ट टेल।
कीटोन।
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 क्या बनेगा कीटोन में? आपकी बेंजीन रिंग हो जाएगी एज इट इज। ओके, एंड ओवर द बेंजीन रिंग क्या हो जाएगा? C2H5। यहाँ से जो हाइड्रोजन निकला it will bond to the Cl, so it will give you a HCl। क्या नाम होगा इसका? नाम बताओ इसका मुझे। आई एम वेटिंग। टेल फास्ट। Madhu, tell the name of this product.
वन फिनाइल प्रोपेनोन।
1-phenyl propanone।
1-phenyl propane 2-on।
2-on कैसे? और कोई? ये नेम कैसा है? आपका
प्रोपाइन फिनोन। प्रोपाइन
हाँ,
फिनोन।
प्रोपाइन फिनॉन। क्यों? क्योंकि क्या कहते हैं, C2H5 2 कार्बन एटम्स हो गए, कीटोन का एक कार्बन एटम हो गया, एंड आपके पास फिर क्या है? यू आर हैविंग द कीटोन ग्रुप, सो इट विल बी प्रोपियोफिनॉन। नाउ इन द सेकंड केस इफ यू पीपल लुक, then you are having the two groups of this। C6H5 का मतलब क्या हो जाता है? benzene ring, and then it is being attached to the CH2। so what will be the product? It will be your 2 CH2 यहाँ का जो CH2 था वो आया फ्रॉम हियर C डबल बॉन्ड O एंड CH3। अब यहाँ से ये वाला Cl और यहाँ से ये कैडमियम, it gets eliminate out, so we get the CdCl2 and it will give you a this product. What will be its name? इसका क्या नाम होगा?
1-phenyl propanone।
अब ये बताओ कि ऊपर वाला और ये नीचे वाला ये दोनों सेम है या अलग अलग है? दोनों सेम है या अलग अलग है?
अलग है मैम।
अलग है मैम।
मैम 2 आएगा ना
कहाँ पे बेटा?
सेकंड वाले पार्ट में, सेकंड पे तो है कीटोन।
1 यहाँ पे एंड ये यस बेटा, it will be 2O. Correct. Now coming to the third question, that is your Hg2 plus H2SO4. Okay. Now over here what we are going to do, यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, when you are using a sulfuric acid, तो पहले ये bond जो है it will convert into a double bond and a alcoholic group will come over here. That is your CH3, C double bond O, CH2 and OH. आपका पहले ये आ जाएगा. Now after making this product, what will happen, as it is a unstable product, there will be what? There will be a tautomerism will take place. On taking place a tautomerism, what it will give you? It will provide you a CH3 C CH3 double bond O. ओके, अब इसका क्या नाम है? ये तो बहुत इजी सा है, सिंपल सा है, जल्दी से बताओ क्या नाम है?
प्रोपेनॉन।
Yes, it is propanol. Coming to the fourth part, your fourth part is what? It is NO2 CH3 O2 Cl2। इसका प्रोडक्ट बताओ बेटा मुझे जल्दी से आप लोग, कौन सी रिएक्शन है पहले ये बताओ। ताशु, टेल मी विच रिएक्शन इट इज। विच रिएक्शन इट इज? नेम्ड रिएक्शन है ना ये, कौन सी रिएक्शन है नेम्ड? Yesterday I told you also that it is an important reaction. Tell anyone else.
Itard reaction। Itard।
Yes, Itard reaction. अब ये Itard reaction है तो पहले आपका क्या बनेगा? At first there will be the your what? There will be the occurrence of the chromium complex. पहले complex बनेगा बेटा, डायरेक्ट थोड़ी बनेगा। CHOCr। अगर एग्जाम में भी ये क्वेश्चन आता है ना तो कॉम्प्लेक्स वाले स्टेप को स्किप मत कर देना तुम लोग।
डायरेक्ट नहीं बेंजल्डिहाइड बना सकते?
नहीं, डायरेक्ट नहीं बनाना बेटा। ओके, डायरेक्ट इसलिए नहीं बनाना है क्योंकि अगर आप यहाँ पे देखो तो हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे फर्स्ट स्टेप लिख रहे हैं, सेकंड स्टेप लिख रहे हैं, तो आपको ये तो दिखाना ही पड़ेगा ना स्टेप। सो दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज योर क्रोमियम कॉम्प्लेक्स। अब ये क्रोमियम कॉम्प्लेक्स जो है व्हेन इट हैज अंडरगोन अ हाइड्रोलिसिस, सो क्योंकि NO2 ग्रुप प्रेजेंट था यहाँ पे तो ये NO2 एज इट इज आएगा यहाँ पे, और जो आपका बेंजल्डिहाइड है, जो ये CH3 है, इट इज गोइंग टू कन्वर्ट इनटू अ CHO। तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, इसका नेम अगर आप देखोगे तो इट विल बी योर,
नाइट्रोबेंजल्डिहाइड।
वेरी गुड, इट विल बी अ पैरानाइट्रो बेंजल्डिहाइड। Okay, so for today we are going to do only this much. Up to here, do not leave the class, as I have not taken the attendance. First I am going to take the attendance, then only you people leave the class. Now over here what you need to do, पहली चीज तो जो आपकी नोट कॉपीज हैं, जस्ट आई एम टेलिंग यू पीपल, राइट डाउन द इंडेक्स क्वेश्चन. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर भी लिखने की, सिर्फ क्वेश्चन नंबर लिखो, योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 12.1, 12.2, whatever, and just note down it and write down the answers. Clear?